Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.
It's definitely getting colder out there at the moment. You know, it's about 2 days away from Christmas from filming this, so on one hand I'm looking forward to it snowing, but on the other hand I'm also the kind of person that can't spend money going on skiing holidays or snowboarding holidays. It's just I like paying money to go and be warm. You know, it's not very warm in the UK that often, so it's nice to actually go and spend some money and enjoy the warmth for a bit. So those people that spend money on skiing holidays and snowboarding holidays, it's just yeah, I don't understand why really. We ended up going to Dubai for our honeymoon a few years back, and it was 40, 50 degrees centigrade. That was amazing. That is my ideal kind of weather for a holiday. You know, sit by the pool, dip your toes in when you get a bit too warm, and just enjoy the sun. Anyway, bit of an update on the sleep situation. And the update is that he sleeps. He freaking sleeps. It's awesome. A few people were asking what happened after the last video with the sleep situation, and we ended up actually putting a stairgate on his bedroom. It was one of those things that is, you feel like you're the worst parent ever, and you read all these things about how damaging it can be to a child, which just scares the shit out of you when you try and when you're thinking of what to do. The first night he woke up, screamed, ran out to his bedroom, opened the door, saw the gate, and then screamed for I think it was about 15 minutes or so. Second night, he wakes up, cries for 5 minutes, doesn't get out of bed, goes back to sleep. Brilliant. Third night, nothing. And for the last, I think it's been the last 2 weeks or so since filming that, absolute golden sleep. Heck yeah. As we're literally wrapping up for Christmas as I speak, there's only a couple of days left until the big day, so I'm not going to go on about anything in particular this week. That will continue in 2019. And I just thought I'd say that I'm really surprised and quite pleased at how these videos have all been turning out, really. We've only been doing them for a couple of months. Already they're getting easier to shoot, quicker to edit, and we're starting to get some really nice comments from people, which you just don't get. You know, you just don't go to networking events and then you hear, oh yeah, that blog post you wrote was incredible. Thank you very much. You know, share it, and you just don't get that with anything else you do. But with video, I get it all the time now. Comments about how good the quality of the video is, the audio, the content that's in the videos. Really, really good feedback, and really nice to chat to people about it, really. It's a good conversation starter. Whether that's just out of courtesy or not, it's just really nice to hear those comments. And so thank you for everybody who's been watching these videos in 2018. Stick around in 2019 as we carry on chatting about things close to my heart. Technology, business, anything that can educate, anything that hopefully entertains along the way as well. So and we've already got some exciting things planned for us for 2019. You know, here at Techers, we're moving offices. We've got these offices up for let already, trying to find another tenant. And in the new offices, I'm hoping to have a dedicated space, or maybe a dedicated room for these kind of videos, because it takes so much time to set up the cameras, set up the lights and the sound, and get it positioned properly, and it just wastes a lot of time, especially when I pop in on the weekends sometimes to do these videos. This year for Techers has been very much a growth year. We've taken on a lot of staff as well as some customers. Would love to think in 2019 we can continue that. Very much looking forward to working with some new customers out there. So if you're relaxing on your Christmas break and you're sitting there thinking in the back of your head that you need to sort your IT out in the new year, then do please give us a shout. That's what we're here for. We're here to take the hassle away from you. I know, just like you, that there are things that as a business owner you don't want to be doing. And for you, one of those things might be your IT. You know, you get into business to do what you're really good at. You shouldn't have to suck up all your time into something you don't know about. Things like IT systems, accountants, legal stuff. You know, you just don't do those yourself. You find other people to do them that are experts in their field. So that's what we're here for. And we're really here to focus on the local SMEs around Hampshire and West Sussex. And so on to the all-important thing this week, the competition winner. Now, we've been running a competition for, I think it's the last couple of months or so now, to win a HP mini workstation. It's about £1,000 worth of PC. We basically picked it up from our supplier, and I thought I was going to use it for my home, or I was going to do something else with it. But instead we just thought it would make a really good prize. As we've launched our YouTube channel, as we're trying to build our company pages and our YouTube channels and our LinkedIn pages and our Facebook pages and our Twitter streams, because something we're really focusing on at the moment is our social strategy and our social media. The videos play a massive part in that, so we're going to be continuing to do those. But I thought it'd be really nice to be able to give this away. So yeah, we'll get on to the prize. And for that, I need to grab my laptop, so bear with me. thank you everybody for entering. We had, by the looks of things, 293 people enter the competition, which is a little bit better than the last one we ran. I think we had about 10 people enter the competition we ran. Must have been about 6 or 7 years ago or so. So come on somewhat since then. Let's find who won. The winner of the HP Z2 mini workstation is Steve Miles. Thank you everybody for entering. To those who didn't win, we'll be sending across an email shortly with a small thank you for entering. And to Steve, we'll be dropping you an email in the new year just to grab some more details and arrange getting the PC sent to your business. So thank you everyone for entering. Appreciate it. All I'm going to do this week is sign off with something you've probably seen or heard many, many times. But every time I see it, it's a real inspiration to me. Thank you for watching in 2018. Please like the video, subscribe if you're not already, and see you in 2019. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Here's to the crazy ones, the misfits, the rebels, the troublemakers, the round pegs in the square holes, the ones who see things differently. They're not fond of rules, and they have no respect for the status quo. You can quote them, disagree with them, glorify or vilify them. About the only thing you can't do is ignore them, because they change things. They push the human race forward. While some may see them as the crazy ones, we see genius. Because the people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do.